Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to switch account in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to switch account in the Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon available for us. Tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of the screen. And over here you can see the settings option available for us just above the webmaster. Tap on settings, and after you land on this interface, guys, you can see the switch account button at the bottom of the screen just above the logout button. Tap on switch account, and you can proceed to tap on the add account button, and you'll go to our interface where you can log into your Facebook or Google account or another account over here. Or if you have an account already on the Terabox app logged in, simply tap on the account and you'll be logged into your account in a moment. And with that being said, guys, this is how to switch account in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.